Welcome back to another video with me and my soul. Today we're going to be talking about fuses and how we don't realize how important they are until they stop working. These Kias have two fuse boxes, one in the engine bay of the car, the other in the cabin of the car left of the steering wheel. Now, what do fuses do? Fuses protect your electrical equipment and wiring. The fuse acts as a first line defense. If it receives an amperage surge, it severs the connection, breaking the electrical current. The place you'll probably see this blown fuse is in your cigarette lighter port, which is what I've experienced and why I've created this video. All right, so for the fuse boxes inside the car, you will be here as left of the steering wheel. You're gonna pop that open, and on the bottom side, there will be a diagram that shows you the orientation of the fuses along with the actual fuses inside. All right, so the second fuse box is right here on the driver's side. It's this box right here. We're just gonna pop this off. There we go. And we're just gonna put it like this. Now, they're gonna be, the diagram's gonna represent, so you do have to like flip it over like a book so it can be correlate to what you need. I was looking for the power outlet in the fuse box. So that is this one right here. So basically that is this fuse right here. Now when you change it, you can use these little fuse pickers. So you go in there, you just pinch it, you just pull it out. And that's how you would change the fuse. And then you just put the new one in. Now, you want to make sure your car is off. And that way you don't cause any other issues by having the car on. You could short out something. So that's how you change the fuse. So I will show you how the old one looks to the new one, and you'll be on your way. Your cigarette lighter will be fixed, I promise. So for the Kia Soul, this particular model Kia Soul, I don't know if it's different, but this uses a micro 2 fuse. So just to show you between the two fuses that was messed up. So the fuse on the left was the fuse that was in my cigarette lighter when it stopped working. Now, one main thing that I noticed was it was kind of scorched at the bottom. So that's how I kind of knew it was that. And as soon as I swapped it, everything worked. So the new ones are going to look really clear. So that's how you can kind of tell. Also, you always want to make sure that the amperage is the same when you swap out these fuses, because that will cause issues. Thank you guys for checking out this video. I hope it was informational and provided you proper tools to troubleshoot what could possibly be going on with your car. As always, please do like, comment, and share this video. It helps the page out. But until we meet again, peace.